What's up, everybody? That's Investing Sensei here to bring you episode 58 of the Webull Options Adventures, where our goal is to sell options and collect that premium. So in this episode, I'm going to show you guys what I did this past week, how much we collected so far in premium, but we are on the portfolio. As you'll see, the portfolio is currently trading at $31,467.96. We're down about 54.15%, which comes out to be about $14,653. So we are down quite a bit. You guys don't have to let me know, but we are collecting premium in the meantime. But our cash balance is at $19,058.96. As you'll see, our options buying power is at $5,558.46. So far, I've been basically just selling cash secured puts, and I have been enjoying that so far. It's way better than getting assigned shares, but overall I'll show you guys the trades I do have open. As you'll see, the first one that we do have open currently is actually AMD. So we have a cash secured put on AMD with a strike price of $92.50. It's actually going to expire on the 18th of March, so that's about right around a 1 month expiration. And then we collected $1.09. So that's a pretty good premium. It's about 1%, but as you'll see, the premium's actually worth well, I guess the option is worth $1.485. So we are kind of technically down on it. We've been it's actually been fluctuating throughout the week. I've been able to close it out at like 20%, but I feel like that's too early, especially with all the time we do have. I definitely like the monthly premium, but yeah, let me show you real quick. I will show you what we have so far for February. So far we've made a total of $357.94. So as you guys see that we are already surpassing January 2022. Our goal, I guess my goal here right now, is to try to beat the previous month, or at least make right around the same amount for the previous month. So far we've surpassed it, but we still have next week for trading for the month of February. So we will see if we can buy back some contracts and see where we end up ending up with the month for February and how much premium we've collected. So definitely be sure that you're subscribed with that bell notification so you're notified when I upload these new videos. As well, while you're down there, go ahead and drop a big thumbs up on the video. Helps out the channel a lot, and I would definitely really appreciate it. But let's go ahead and go back to the Webull app so I can show you guys the next trades we do have. So the next ones we actually have is we actually have two cash secured puts on TQQQ, and we actually have it at a strike price of $37.50. They're actually also going to expire on the 18th of March, so that's right around 1 month. So as I mentioned earlier, I am really loving the monthly cash secured puts, especially because I am able to collect at least 2% or so in premium, and then I do have plenty of time to see if the contract, if I'm able to buy it back early at maybe 40 to 60% profit. Sometimes the option does go in a negative, but that 1 month allows me to fluctuate and take advantage of that volatility. But as you guys will see, we did sell the TQQQ at a strike price of $37.50, and yeah, it's gonna expire the 18th, and you'll see that we did collect $1.01, so $101 per contract. So that was pretty sweet there, and it's pretty awesome that it's monthly, so we have plenty of time. As you'll see, we actually are down on it, but I think we're gonna recover unless the market just continues to move downwards these coming months. Well, I guess not coming months, but coming weeks. But overall, we can always roll these. The main thing is trying to collect this premium, and we will see how February plays out. So it's definitely very exciting. But the next one we do have here, guys, is 300 shares of Tattoo Chef. We are actually just down on it, and we're just going to continue to hold it. I don't think it's worth actually selling some covered calls on it, because it's just the spread is so bad. It's about 5 cents or $5 per, so it's not worth it at the current moment. But I will continue to hold them. I might actually sell some cash secured puts during earnings, which I think they're going to be reporting very soon. So I'll take advantage of that premium that happens during earnings. But the last one we actually have 400 shares of NEO, guys. We actually have been down on this shares, so I've been selling covered calls, trying to collect some crumbs. So I actually sold 4 covered calls at a strike price of $29, and they actually expired on the 18th of February, so yesterday, and they actually expired worthless. We collected $5, or well, I guess 5 cents or $5 per contract, so about $20 is what we collected in total, and we actually got to keep all of it because the contracts actually expired worthless, so that is pretty sweet. But this is actually all I have for the trades or the current positions open. I will be showing you guys, let me show you the history real quick. As you'll see that here are the trades I ended up putting this week. The NEO one for the strike price of 29, and then we sold the cash secured put on TQQQ, and then we closed it out with actually buying back our legged cash secured put, which I'll show you guys in the Google Sheets once we jump over to that. Actually, let's go ahead and jump over to that, but before we do that, be sure that you're subscribed with that bell notification again if you haven't done so already, and drop a big thumbs up on the video. So let's go ahead and jump over to the Google Sheets so that I can show you guys all the trades and how much we made for this week selling options. Alright guys, so we are here at the Google Sheets on the dashboard. As you'll see that our start date is actually on the 14th, and it actually ended on the 18th. So it looks like we made a total of $107.66, which was pretty awesome. Total credits we collected about $142, $143, and then we bought back $35. That was actually the legate, which I will show you guys shortly. And then the gains, nothing in gains, nothing invested. And real quick, I have been asked about this spreadsheet. It's completely available for free. If you are interested, check it out. It's in the video description. It's still a work in progress, Google Sheets. I'm still trying to take time so that I can improve it. But if we look at the graphs, you'll see that so far, again, we're at $357.94 for the month of February so far. This can change, especially since I could buy back some of those monthly cash secured puts I do have, or I could sell some more, so this will change. We will check back at the beginning of March and see how we ended up closing, but the goal is to try to make at least $306 or a little bit higher, for the month of February. And we're going to continue doing that until we start building that staircase going upwards and upwards. So that is kind of the goal. We will see how that plays out. But if we look at the weekly, guys, you'll see that for week 89, we made the 107, and brings our total to $46,563.33. This is just our initial investment plus all the premium we've made. So remember, we were in the negative after we did some tax loss harvesting. If we look over here, so far total we collected $143.99, which brings us to about 0.31% total return. We are finally in the positive and not in the negative anymore. This is if you're to account for taxes here. But let's go ahead and look at the credits, guys. So as you'll see, for the credits, which this actually expired on the 18th. So let me fill that out while we're here. So we will go ahead and paste these here, and I actually forgot to fill these out, but they all expired worthless. So if we look here, you'll see this is actually a trade I entered on the 14th of February. It's still open. I ended up coloring it this because it is a monthly, and it's going to expire on the 18th, which you guys saw. We collected $123, and after you average the other one that I do have, came out to be about 101 or so. And then you'll see that we did place the NEO covered calls. They actually expired worthless. and we collected about $20, so that was a pretty good one. And then if we look at the debits here, guys, the only thing we did this week was buy back our Leggett and Platt cash secured put, which is $35. And then if we look at gains, there was actually nothing in gains. And then for current buys, there was actually nothing for current buys. But that is actually all I have for you in this update, guys. Let me know which companies you guys are selling cash secured puts or covered calls, and how much premium you're collecting. And again, this is actually all I have. Be sure that you're subscribed with that bell notification, because I will be uploading another video on the next Saturday about options if you are interested. And go ahead and drop a big thumbs up on the video. But I will see you guys next time. Take care, stay safe out there. Bye, guys.